so tie commentaries na cause social media no so a na hu behia pa se captain baba na de bi won ma ono nso abeya no. First of all, adie ba ko pa na nipa dodo ne boka afachi pa after say verdict ne babonten and say it looks like as a team say Morocco no anytime be as omasem ko CAF as a CAF no person mo ya no try to save them because it looks like say no as African football bibia Morocco into ban saying any abo AFCON final we enra na 2 months referee Ajatum said this was the score line ya bibia to mawie ye ball eye dwumade ni wie kura no a coordination committee ama hono fine buy afedi a appeal committee appeal committee yanji trophy no free eye Senegal for nsem enfan kombo eye Morocco anunti eno ne es war potia na ni padodo na adebo eye CAF na nemu na CAF president Dr. Patrice Motsepe o se dedi kan some na amanfo kasan as a CAF amu favor countries ni bi eno musisi countries ni bi no wey ena awoka enso edefa.
A critical factor is that not a single country in Africa will be treated in a manner that is more preferential or more advantageous or more favorable than any other country on the African continent. We take what has happened at the final match in Morocco during the AFCON, the Total Energies CAF Morocco 2025. We take it very, very seriously. And we have already started with very important steps to make sure that those areas which have been identified as deficiencies and where there's need for improvement, that the necessary resolutions are passed.
Okay, and I know I am Dr. Patrice Motsepe. Now this answer me. Aduju jo se sansam na manfo kanina no krabia nim CAF na wo no all the African countries are obia oyanda CAF bia no treatment dey ba we the same treatment and the Motsepe yenhwe obi ye ni akohwe obi bone na asam na aba no omo CAF fo ni hiaon because ade na see final no sebi enormous say CAF ni abrepa sa nyema bia amwama African game ni ntimi enkoso no mbeboa no more etimi ayusi sa de se na be a san nyema ekoso African football nim na no ombeyini na de afi o se na be a African football ebetimi afa no tuba pa afra anti so bit be bi no so countries ni bi wo ha eduju omiye ebi so ayi eduju omiye no o se se ni na no no krabia enso enim no we no say ade Senegal eye ne da no o say African football nim ase pa.
I've been informed of the ruling by the CAF Appeals Board concerning the appeal by Morocco relating to the AFCON Morocco 2025 final match. And I previously expressed my extreme disappointment with the incidences that took place at the final match. And the important thing of what happened on that final match is it undermined the good work that CAF has done over many, many years to ensure that, that there's integrity, that there's respect, that there's ethics, that there's governance, as well as credibility of the results of our football matches. The occurrences, those incidences at the final match of the AFCON Morocco exposes is the work that we are still dealing with concerning the suspicion and distrust. It's a legacy issue. When I became president, one of the major concerns was the impartiality, the independence, and the respect of referees and match commissioners. And a lot of good work has been done.
Okay, and according to CAF president, you know, say Adia Senegal here no dano Emma Sabe we are seeing na AFCON final. Or say Juma na CAF aye Osha competition na tournament said the nani facility na last day the we dwumade sansem na ekosisi no. Or say ama sebi aduma CAF ye ni na no sebi I say na integrity, respect, credibility. Osi ni na sa de na Senegal ye no. Ani kwa essay bibia CAF. Eye na de ba ko pa CAF ono titi oba ya opeso he. Ama bibia ekoye eye referee say ye bo game na obi nkonya upper hand emfa enya anato omfa enya entia enyonko no. Osi ade ba ko pa oba all try so obetima ye. And say, young referees won't be your respect. But already, Senegal for Korea, I must say, Sebi, Infasubia, and so Amas. No, we no say, what is a Senegal for some bako cast or no me adwin omonko na decision bia so be free cast bebe bia no omo CAF omo ready say there is respect a decision be free CAF sorry air cast and so bitimi aba.
The CAF disciplinary board took one decision. The CAF appeals board took a totally different position. And I'm told that Senegal is going to appeal, which is very important. Every one of the 54 nations in Africa have a right to pursue their appeals and their advance interests, not only at the highest level in Africa, in CAF, but also the highest body, which is the CAS. And we will adhere and respect the decision that's taken at the highest level.
Okay, the CAF president don't know. Also, Senegal for some more. Yes, I'm right. And so I'm testing rano, and so now I'm testing rano to be. This is in be free cast baby piano. I'm CAF for my ready say. I'm be respected. I have been shouting from Kakaka na.
Mamenya justice bina confirm me kasi ho. Nse enwa me mankofo code was setting.
Okay.
Because ni be boy. And then many time until come socials now.
Okay.
They go and pick it. Let me mention this other bear. Say about Megas one can was program. So and I know Casavi, I say Thibaut Courtois and so pra. And one way are on the Bayern. Let's me know and that would be crucial. But my Rich, you see, I wasn't comfortable when I saw Dr. Motsepe video, no. And the entire many comfortable. They say, one, the process of the legal battle now between Morocco and Senegal, and there, Anya because Senegal can clearly say he's taking the case to CAS. And unti say there were 3 processes: disciplinary committee, appeals committee, CAS. Disciplinary committee decision by ya anti say Dr. Motsepe abe video abe kase and normal na ekoso they are doing it in the right way. Why am I doing the disciplinary committee? Why are you coming in at the appeals committee when you know the case will travel to the next level, which is CAS? The moment obebemu sano, then Oya created the impression say throughout the 3 processes, as a baby, a drew na ope. You get my point.
I call this coming to my casa. It drop you the anova.
Inti ankame baina. I would have told him. Tamano almost saw like that video. No, come and say, President, don't you think say it will be wise? Say allow the legal processes to be completed. Makas inform ruling, brah. Because even in the rules of CAF, CAS is the final arbiter of every litigation. So let's finish the process. Your real process, you now some kind of one. Then you can come and say it. But over kind of sad time we are. You create the impression, say, as a baby, as some na kotono. And now, I want to open. It's enough in our home to say, and can you say, ceasefire. You get the point. The timing is so wrong. Number 2, Rich, I have listened to barely 5 minutes of Insemina Okano. And to be honest with you, I didn't get any content from it. And the reason why it is so, and I say, these are legal processes. Dr. Motsepe, unto me and make any definite statements are prejudicial to the case.
And legal issue.
And once you don't want to be cited for any kind of contempt on Asamono, and then okay on to me. Because at the end of the day, unti min Kenya Sasimbia. Because Nyasa some power person can Rich, and what the tendency to prejudice the case. Okay. It's minyae pa nkwa mekasa. Minyae pa nkwa ma mekasa. And the timing so wrong. These judicial bodies, they are independent bodies. They don't need PR. So person go for you to say they are independent bodies. Then don't come and do any form of PR. I see Ghana. Rich, the day Ketokreku, the president of the FA, everybody wanting to say that me was sembika about this committee and answer appeals committee ruling. Rich, it will be a bad day for Ghana football judicial system. They are independent. Allow them to work. Independent bodies don't need PR from the chief spokesperson of CAF.
Okay, but is it not a matter of the animal on social media? No, so CAF and I say countries in you on ma. Omututu me, be you omututu me. Ebi anu na share papa man is okay. I mean clear. Sane man e koso na vi moving on.
For me, a single problem with what Dr. Patrice Motsepe said.
Okay.
I think that the chief spokesperson of CAF. I mean, in principle, the worry is that Uti and some more kind of he didn't take a single side. In fact, I think Dr. Patrice Motsepe says the right things that everybody was supposed to say. And they say Ojitum. Say Uti na or say the first part appeals disciplinary committee, it take a completely different decision than the appeals committee.
Yeah.
And for me, what that tells me is that there's complete separation of powers in the arms, even in the judiciary arm of CAF. Because the disciplinary committee could take a decision. Now appeals committee say me no one ya. Then what the president is saying is that as the leader of the executive, may encourage even Senegal for say and for me it's about the law. Me and I have a different opinion. Many appeals committee on the decision that they took. I agree 100% to the disciplinary committee because of what I know, the little I know about the law of CAF. But again, and no soon say you don't give Senegal the chance to go there. And we can't allow, because what he's trying to do is that the conversation of CAF, so he is saying that Senegal will have every right. Senegal and CAF no interpreting rules in their own ways. I nominate the final arbiter. Okay, based on the rules, their interpretation, it ends there. Near the AFCON, then we move forward. Then they tell us why they think Senegal is right or wrong. For me, that is the way to go, because CAF are corrupt, and under Dr. Patrice Motsepe, they are giving Morocco a free run to certain things. So maybe for Motsepe, he is trying to say, okay, fine, this committee, post committee, a completely different set of ruling here. They buy. Let's encourage Senegal to go and do that. For me, I have no issue with respect to that. But Rich, based on how African football is run, the country that brings the most money, the country that gives us the opportunity to play football, Debiano, will get an opportunity and will get an advantage over us, even without it being said. Morocco, they will get advantages under tone that we will not see. Because they be asking here, it is them who are ready to help CAF. And yet CAF and Morocco, they are willing to help. Under 17 baby boy Morocco sebra. Under 20 baby Morocco sebra.
Now Morocco do no facilities.
So the member
South Africa who's to work up.
So after that, South Africa said they want to do, because there's economic reason. The infrastructure is there at South Africa. But have they told you that economically you are willing to spend the amount of money you will spend in terms of hosting any competition?
Is there any dream maybe the is the African football Morocco?
So we should be up and doing. Anything that made me excited said the next African Cup of Nations in Kenya. What is out to now? Certain deadlines have not been met in the lead up to the next AFCON. What should the next year AFCON? So the member nations needs to be up and doing. Those in West Africa area, they need to start getting their things right. Nigeria, Ghana, Ivory Coast, West Africa, you will see with Ivory Coast, Central Africa, Cameroon and the likes. We should be up and doing. The Eastern Africa, and yes, North Africa will constantly be the gateway for CAF to come to them. And they will allow them to go through certain things.
Okay. Mamjo,
Amuzu garlic